Hey everyone, this is Coda Wright, and welcome to part 2 of my gaming computer build. So let's start right in. As you can see now, we've moved on to the motherboard. First, you want to unlatch the CPU slot. Now we need to install the CPU. What's included in the box is usually your CPU, a sticker, your instructions, and a mini CPU fan, shown here in the picture. Since I purchased a separate CPU cooler, I won't be showing how to install this one. Now with that out of the way, let's get the CPU installed. Installation is as simple as dropping it in the proper way and latching it. Oh, and try not to touch the top like I just did. This is the cooler I chose to use, which is much more efficient. I will be showing you how to install this one. First, you're going to want to remove the fan part of the cooler. This can be done simply by pulling on the tabs on the sides. After the fan is removed, we can begin attaching the cooler to the CPU. First, if your motherboard comes with these clips on the sides of the CPU, you'll need to remove them. After those are removed, you can begin installing your pins along with your fan base, like so. The base is a double-sided piece. Which side you use depends on which CPU you have. I'm using the flat side because I have an AMD processor. If you have an Intel processor, you have to use the other side. After you attach your base, you can tighten your bolts with a socket attachment that comes with your case. Now you're ready to dry fit your CPU fan. Make sure the brackets are spaced right before you try to actually install. It will save you a lot of trouble. Once you're comfortable with your setup, you can go ahead and apply adhesive to the top of the CPU. Your goal is to get the most coverage with the least amount of adhesive. Now you're ready to install your fan. Make sure you move all the plastic pieces first though. Now that your cooler's installed, let's reattach that fan. And since we're already here, we might as well plug the fan into the motherboard. The port will be labeled CPU fan. Now we're on to installing the RAM, which is fairly easy. Make sure you have all the port locks that you're going to use open. Now installation is as simple as inserting the cards and pressing down on each corner until you hear it pop. That's the sound of it locking into place. And then you're done. It's that simple. Since I condensed everything down in this video, I had some extra time, so I figured at the end, why not show you how to install your drivers. First, you're going to need to remove the faceplate and all other plates that are blocking your slots where your drives go. With newer cases, to install your hard drive, it's as easy as sliding it into place and locking it with the plastic locks that are included. This here is a Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. It really is cost efficient to upgrade and go for the 3TB, but I was trying to save money. This hard drive only costs $70.82. Now just repeat on the other side and your installation is complete. Now we're going to move on to the optic drive. This part is optional because a lot of people opt to have an external optical drive, and it does look a lot better if you do, so this is just if you want an internal. I'll show you how to install it. Once again, just like the hard drive, it's basically just as simple. You need to remove the lock in the slot where you wish to insert it. After that, it's as easy as sliding it right in. After it's where you want it, all you need to do is install the 2 screws on each side, and you're done. And that's all for this part. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.